Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on the application of Gemini app. You will go to settings. Here in this first page of settings, you will go down to click on apps. On above, you will search about the application of Gemini and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.